everyone, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this fun multi-chrome look using indie makeup. I'll be using Menagerie Cosmetics, Kaleidos, some Terra Moon Cosmetics multi-chromes, and yeah, we're going to do a fun greeny, blue, and like rainbowy look. So if you want to see how I get this look, just keep watching.
Okay, so let's start this tutorial. So I'm using the Pastel Pop palette today. I'm using this like minty green and the white, and I'm just starting with a line up into my brows. I'm gonna be honest, I had no idea what I was doing for this look. All your girl knew today is that she wanted to do a green look. So we went with green. I just kept building it up and blending it out. I didn't really like how the white blended in with it, but it's fine. It's gonna get covered up anyways. So I'm just blending and blending and blending, literally blending the eyeshadow in, and then I'm going into the Kaleidos Flower Punk palette, and I'm taking the mint green in that, which is one of my favorite shades, and I'm blending this out kind of in a winged way, and then buffing it. I take a long time because I am figuring out what I wanted to do. I didn't know how I wanted this look to turn out, and I'm happy with how it turned out. I do wish I could have done a actual get ready with me instead, but unfortunately it's just been too warm. I've been overheating, my pain's been bad, and honestly it's just been too difficult. So as you can see, I'm literally just blending this to high heavens until I get this super blended moment. I'm kind of doing like some sort of graphic look, you know, this look ends up turning into something way more that's just basically multi-chrome shimmery goodness. So I'm taking this shade from the Flower Punk palette as my like base shimmer because I liked the shift it had, and I'm just putting this along the lower part of my lid, blending it into the bottom line, if that makes any sense at all, until it looks like this. I'm going back into Pastel Pop, and I'm taking that shade, which I think is called Snowball, and I'm just making a lot of faces today, girl. And yeah, so we just keep on going, and we're adding that to the top. I'm not the biggest fan of this shade with this look, but it's fine. Again, going into Pastel Puff, and for my lower lash line, I am doing a really pretty pastel yellowy orangey vibe, and I am down. I'm using the Kaleidos Multichrome highlighter today, and I went a little ham. It's fine. We're not going to talk about it. I didn't have any idea what blush I wanted to do, so that's why I did highlighter first. This shift is just so pretty. Going back into Pastel Pup, I'm taking this corally shade and the orangey shade. Also, look at these nails. They're from What's Up Beauty. If you want to go check those out, another indie brand. But yeah, I'm just adding these orange shades along my lower lash line, and I obviously blended those shades into my blush today. Yes, I did. I'm then taking the Terra Moon's Coalescence multi-chrome, which goes very well with my nails, and I'm putting that all over my lid and towards the upper bit. And yeah, it's just so pretty. I'm then taking the Cosmos from Terra Moons and building that on the outer half. I'm taking my freckle pen and I'm putting on a million freckles because I thought that this look needed freckles, to be honest. I think with this intense blush, that's all I wanted. This look is banging. I'm so happy with how this look turned out. It's not really my typical type of thing. I wish I would have been able to do liner, but unfortunately I was in too much pain.
This is how the makeup look turned out. I'm really happy with it. It's just like multi-chrome goodness all over the lid. Like, look at that. It's just so fun. I'm probably gonna add some liner just to make it more impactful, but I'm really happy with how the makeup turned out. I think it turned out pretty dang awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.